we are celebrating the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. The campaign on 16 days of activism against GBV is very important period in our events calendar and proves that we are united with the rest of the world in combating the scourge. The theme of today's theme is Unite, Invest to prevent violence against women and girls. For many years, women and girls have been facing oppression and injustice in this country. They have been harassed in their homes, at workplaces, and were not even safe in their communities. We have made huge strides over the years, and now women and girls have a voice in the society. The achievement of this milestone can be attributed to many factors, but most importantly, by the many GBV survivors and champions whose continuous sensitization has brought the change. The campaign is aimed at uniting communities and families to ensure that men stop abusing women. Thank you. And vice versa. Let us unite as a society to end GBV. Everyone at their level should fight and speak against GBV. As we speak, there's an ongoing construction of a GVRC in Kerugoya Hospital. This facility will help us to handle more GBV cases. There will be a toll-free number that will be given to the public to call whenever you witness or experience GBV case. This facility will have a few beds where extreme cases will be monitored for a short period of time. I would like to thank and appreciate our governor, Her Excellency Anne Mumbi Waiguru, who loves and values women. We would also like to appreciate the Rainforest Alliance, who are our benefactors today. They have really touched our hearts as a department.